Welcome back to the Frugal Gardener's Garden. It is a very hot and humid day in the garden, and as you can see, my plants, or at least some of the plants, are wilting. I want to get into a conversation about global warming and whether the planet's heating up or not. I'm not a scientist, but I will tell you this. I've been gardening for over 30 years, and every year it seems to get hotter and hotter, resulting in plants looking like this. This is definitely not good. I've researched it. It's not good for pollination. It's not good for the plants to thrive in this environment. As a matter of fact, they have a tendency to shut down. And just to give you an idea of what's going on out here, I'm not sure if you can see that, but we are well above 100 degrees in the sun. So I have what I hope is going to be a solution. And there it is. This is my shade cloth. A lot of gardeners are using these now. This is my first time, but I felt like I needed to do something because I'm not getting as much harvest from my especially tomatoes, peppers, and others. And based on the research I've done, this should help. So I'm going to put this baby up, and we'll see if it makes a difference when it comes time to harvest the fruits and the vegetables. So give me a couple of seconds to put this thing together. Okay, I have unfolded this, and I just wanted you guys to get an idea of the size of how large this is. It's actually bigger than I thought. It's more than enough for my needs. There are several different types on the market. This is not an expensive one because I wanted to see how well this thing works. So basically, yeah, here's a shot of what came with it. And next I'm going to install it, but I just wanted you guys to see how light this is. It's very light, and obviously the idea is to help keep some of the sun out. And once we get this up, hopefully this will give the plants some relief. I'm also going to water the plants. That will also bring down the temperature. It's going to about 95 today. It's going to be in the 90s most of the week. So I'm going to put this up, and should be done in a few minutes. So here we are. The netting is up, and it looks like it's a pretty good fit. I've gotten probably 90% of my pots inside, and I forgot to mention that this also comes with little clips. I should have shown you guys these earlier, but these clips clamp on, and they're reusable. So I put a few of those on the end. There's one here. Now, based on the research that I've done, the hottest part of the day is usually between 12 and 4. So if you're wondering why this does not look like it's been permanently put up, it's for that reason. This is temporary shade. I'll take this off when it starts to get cool around 4 or 5 in the evening. And since it's going to be hot again tomorrow, I'll put it back up. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. It's taking me less than 10 minutes. And my plants now have some relief, especially these cucumbers here, which really needs it. But it also still allows the bees to come in and pollinate. So I will call this a success. Probably in the next few days, I'll probably perfect it, stabilize it a little bit more. But I think that I just need to add some water. The water will also cool these plants down, as I mentioned earlier. And that will be a wrap. We have some squash coming up over here. And also we have beans and eggplant and a few other things. Peppers. So they're all getting a little bit of relief from the shade. So that's it. I'll give you guys an update. As always, thanks for spending a few minutes out of your day with me, and please come back again soon. Thanks for subscribing, and please tell your friends. This is the Frugal Gardener saying happy gardening.